Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, we have Country Mouse by Dear Stella. So, you know, Country Mouse, Town Mouse, the whole idea there. Now, technically, I don't think there's any mice on these, but there are little cheeses and jams and all country things. And it's so sweet. We think this would be a great combo for like cafe curtains. Super cute. Am I supposed to be walking back over there? What's here? Oh yes, this is Thimble and Rye. Look at these. These are Henry glass. You got some little bit of dark side there. I love the script underneath the floral though. That's really cool. All right, so Thimble and Rye. And then, sorry, he's got to back up. I got to walk around him. Where am I going? I've forgotten. No, I didn't. Okay, although I forgot the name. Okay, this is Autumn Brew Cafe. Look at that. It's like pumpkin spice and everything nice. Love it. Oh, look at the tiny pumpkins. They're so cute. Okay, I'm on a pumpkin kick now. Next. Nope, just kidding. Wow, I'm a little spazzy, guys. Okay, we love Wendy Shepherd patterns. So the fact that then she put 10 in a book. Yes. Scrap quilting with Wendy Shepherd. Look at them. Oh my gosh, you're all going to buy this book and it's going to be amazing. Maybe we'll do this as one of our books on the Sunday show where we put together stuff for you. Then, oh, Caleb's excited. He has a new project, guys. A quilted hoodie. I mean, who doesn't want a quilted hoodie? It has a pocket and everything, guys. This looks like art gallery fabric to me, and I think that'd be amazing. Next, we have a lot today. Bear with us. Although we know you love it all. Okay, this is a fun new little kit thing. This is Nantucket Summer. And so I'll show you the inside in a second. You get the stuff for like the baskets in here. And then you need additional yardage and things. But it's like a fun little, hold on. You get the pattern. You get fun little giveaways. This is some of the fabric you need. A notebook. Just cutesy little stuff. It's adorable. I love it. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to close it. Okay, good. Then we have puzzles because soon it'll be chilly and we're moving into the puzzle season. Of course, we have the honeybee. That's a Lori Holt. And then, yeah, we weren't gonna not buy it, guys. It's Jane Austen. Then we have another kit. Oh my gosh, what are we doing with our lives? How cool is that? It's Sandy Gervais. And it's a box kit, and it finishes at 62 by 62. You get the quilt pattern, the fabric for the top, and the binding. And then there's a QR code on the back for updates. And we got the 108 to go with it as the backing. So you need 2 yards of this for this. Okay? And lastly, Holiday Flourish 3. Holiday Flourish. It's fun and whimsical. Okay, so this is that neutrals holiday metallic vibe. We haven't had anything floral like this in a couple years. We had kind of like the stockings and things like that. But it's always quite a crowd pleaser for you guys. So we really liked it. Okay, announcements. We have the summer picnic block of the month. Okay, signups are still going on for that. It will launch in October. We have All Ohio Shop Hop is still going on. And then we have the trunk show with Heather Briggs, Moda designer. Her next line coming up is Sunbonnet. Super adorable, as is she. And that trunk show is going to be hosted here at the shop on Sunday, September 14th at 3 p.m. Tickets will go on sale for in-shop only this Tuesday through, when they sell out. And then we'll launch them online with the next Fresh and Fab. We want to give our locals a nice chance to pop in and buy your tickets. We'll have all that information in a post soon. Is that all? Question. Oh my gosh, there's a Sunday show. My goodness, there's a lot. This Sunday at 3. I still don't know whether it's Caleb or Mom with me, but it's going to be one of them. It's going to be great. And the question for that is, school just went back in session in our local neighborhood today. Have you ever gotten a ticket in a school zone because you forgot school was in session? And I asked that because there was a cop sitting there, but I knew it was a school zone and they were back in session, so I was slow. So have you ever gotten a ticket? I hope you haven't. Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.